They arrest Nigerian criminal again today. What did they do? They go and rob a bank in Laboni. Nigerian criminal. They, according to the news, they shoot one. One was shot.
You see, one person died. He died.
Is it a crime to come for the country called Nigeria? What till we do? What till we do? What till we do?
Omo, I dey shame. I dey shame. At this point, I swear to God, my both hands is covering my face. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to go out tomorrow and, walk among Ghanaians and feel free as a Nigerian living in Ghana. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? I love the fact that they even mentioned the name of the person, Augustine who? Okechukwu. Augustine Okechukwu. Where is Okechukwu from? This name Okechukwu, where is that name? Where does that name come from? I want you guys to tell me, yes, let me know in the comment section because I don't want to be the one to call out this fake Igbo king anymore. I'm telling you. Hey, guys, this is the news that got to my table this night and I decided to react to it. I don't know if I'm going to post it tonight or tomorrow morning, but it's shameful. At this point, I'm very ashamed to call myself a Nigerian. So these people have mind. You came to Ghana for what? You came to Ghana for bed of roses. Obviously, that's why you came here. Instead of you to settle and do what is right. But look at how you choose to disgrace yourself and the name of your country. The most painful part of it is the fact that the name of Nigeria has spoiled, though, but these people don't want to change. They keep dragging that name into the mud. I don't know when you guys will change. Well, hey, Jesus. I don't even know what to say at this point. I'm so ashamed of myself, as if I'm the one that even committed the crime. What's the meaning of this? Later, you guys will come and be opening your big mouth and be saying trash. When people call you out and say, you guys are this, you guys are that, criminals. You guys will come and be defending nonsense. Let me catch anybody coming to my DM telling me that, Delphina, stop bringing the name of your country down. Which country? Country that consists of this kind of human beings? Why can't they do the right thing if they don't want me to bring the name of that country to the mud? Do the right thing so I wouldn't have any video to come out here and talk about. No dare me, make I catch you. Guys, without wasting much of your time, let's watch the video and definitely I'll be back because of course I have a lot to say at the end of it. Let's watch.
Is it a crime to come for the country called Nigeria? What till we do?
They arrest Nigerian criminal again today. What did they do? They go and rob a bank in Laboni. Nigerian criminal. They, according to the news, they shoot one. One was shot. And one of them was arrested, which is the name, the Augustine Okechukwu Mazi. Just I think, are you people not ashamed? You leave Nigerians, go to another man's land. You go to stay. You went there to stay. You can imagine that. One was killed. They kill one straight. No wasting time. And they arrest one. And the one where they arrest, his name now Augustine Okechukwu Mazi. And they arrest so. I know some foolish of you people will come. Definitely. One, they will pick all of you. They find, and the funny thing, they are good in defensive. When you are condemning the wrong thing Nigerians are doing in Ghana, they will be the one some of them will make video to attack you, and some of them, they are good coming to your comment section, insult you, thinking that the insult is sustained body. You know they sustained though. Now then they claim say they carry Nigerian for head past anybody. But this is what your people are doing. You see? One don't die, and they don't arrest one. And the one with the arrest so, in body go tell him. In body go tell him. If you now waiting, una say una what they do. Nobody will tell now. Nigerians, every time, every day, Nigeria. I keep saying this thing. When you come for the terrible criminal, terrible thing, now you will find Nigerians in Ghana. Terrible thing. Nigerians. But not be all Nigerians, but certain people. But let me tell you, I don't want to say anything for now. I don't want to say anything.
Boys, it's almost spray can ya. It's only police on the exchange fire.
Bank pen amukorobi.
Zenith Bank.
Amukorobi obi ana bank.
This car now more follow. What do we do? What do we do? I have never been this disappointed in my life. Everywhere I pass, parrot, see your people. Everywhere I pass, parrot, see your people. This gunshot where you just hear, go, 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 go. Not be war. Not be war. This afternoon, Nigeria, join people where they go do robbery for 2 banks. 2 banks. See the name here, Ghana police. Whether they feel say Ghana police be like Nigerian police, be like say they delay to come. Immediately, they switch to action. And yesterday, they on a life one instantly. And they catch this one. See the name, Igbo. See the name, Igbo. What is our offense to be a Nigerian? What will be our offense to be Nigeria? I just come for Kumasi. I just land for Nigeria. I never even rest. I never even rest. They tag me. They are better Nigerians. But because of these foolish bastard people, they don't give them. Those better Nigerians, don't they get sit on the table? Because of the better Nigerians, they know they get seats on the table. How Ghanaians go see us now? And now, how Ghanaians go see us? How the rest of Africa go see us? They go say, Nigerians are the same everywhere. Nigerians are the same everywhere. You want to say, oh, fear Nigerians, so you want to do so. So even if the good Nigerians approach yourself, you don't even know how you want to look them. Why? Because we have bastards like this. We have bastards like this. Every day, I did this internet, they cry, Tinubu. Thinking Tinubu is the problem. But when they make me, they feel like, say, Tinubu is not the problem. We are the problem. Now, we Nigerians, we are the problem. Because make it make sense. Say you come up for, and you get some useless and irresponsible Nigerians. Because Nigerians, to be frank, Nigerians, we are very blessed people. We are hardworking. We understand what it takes to work. But you see some useless Nigerians come online to come and defend. Are Ghanaians not part of the robbery? Are Ghanaians not part of the robbery? Are you dumb? These are Ghanaians in their country. These are Ghanaians in their country. If you want to rob, go to your country. Rob in your country. They do it for their country. You hear people saying, are Ghanaians not committing crime? They are committing crime in Ghana because they are Ghanaians. If you want to commit crime, go to Nigeria. Have you ever seen me carry phone before? Call the talk, say, and fire outbreak happen in Ghana here. This thing happen in Ghana here. You know why? It is not my responsibility. It is my responsibility for me to draw attention for our leaders, Nigeria wicked leaders, to see what Ghana they do. I only showcase the good things that's happening in Ghana. Why? Because I look at it with a shared border. There are a lot of things to learn from each other. When it comes to music, Ghana can learn from us. When it comes to development, Nigeria can learn from Ghana. When it comes to leadership, Ghana have good leadership. Tinubu learn from these people. That is all I have been doing all my life. How did we get here? How did we get here? Another accident again. How did we get here? Bro, I want to thank the Ghana police. Thank you. To the CID boss, thank you. Madam Lydia, thank you. This was a very sweet, very, very sweet response. God bless the Ghana. Please help me share this video. God bless the Ghana police. The IGP, thank you. The CID boss, thank you. Hard-working woman, maybe I say they work like man. They work. Ghana police, they respond like period. They know they delay. They respond like period. They don't delay. Now, zoom. Ah, Jesus. It is well. That's all I can say. It is well.
My brothers, I understand your pain. I can feel your pain because I'm also a Nigerian. and nobody will understand us. Yes, nobody will understand us. The only people that will understand are the people living in Ghana and experiencing, you know, what it takes to be a Nigerian living in Ghana. I believe it's not only in Ghana that Nigerians are there misbehaving, in other countries too. So if you're in another country, you know the feelings you feel when a Nigerian is caught in a criminal activities. That's the feelings we're feeling right now, seriously. And the fact that after seeing all these crimes, and some Nigerians will still come out and be saying trash is the problem. That's why some people, most especially South Africans, are really complaining about Nigerians. Even the few people that are coming out and telling South Africans that what they are doing is not good, cannot even face them anymore because of the criminal activities that Nigerians are doing. Nobody is saying Nigerians are not committing crimes. But the thing is that even if they are committing crimes, that very thing you do to the person matters a lot, you know. As I say, as I said, put yourself in the person's shoes and feel the way the person will feel. I'm not saying that because I want you guys to just free the person. No, nobody will free a criminal. Like this man now, those people that are normal today, the two that got pied, are they gonna come back again? They will have a lot of answers to questions to answer over there. I don't know if we really have another heaven or another place that they will go and answer God or so. But whatever it is, they will have questions to answer. So, as to my South Africans, hey, what I, Delphine Asumayashim, is trying to let you guys know that we are not stopping you from kicking whoever you want to kick out of your country, but you should know how to do it. Yes, nobody is saying don't kick Nigerians or don't kick illegal foreigners out of your country, but the way you guys are taking it is my problem. And that's the reason, the unaliving and likewise looting and destroying people's shops. That's just my problem. And I'm saying all this because I know you guys will come on the comment section bringing out your tongue on me that, oh, look at the country I'm trying to defend. I'm not defending Nigeria. If you check my content very well, I don't defend criminality. I stand against criminality. And the fact that I'm standing against criminality doesn't mean I should not point fingers on people that are doing the wrong thing when trying to tackle criminals. You understand? Because we have ways, many ways to do things, okay? And that's the reason why I am against what you guys are doing, but not the full things. You know, there are some things that you guys are doing right too. And I'm commenting on it. Yes, I'm applauding you. If you check my videos well, you will see. And I'm not saying all this because I want South Africans to come subscribe or to come like my videos. Never, bro. If you want to stay, stay. Even with the way I do things that you guys are against, many South Africans are reaching out to me and they are saying, you know, they like what I do and all. So I don't have a problem with that, okay? So don't come here and say I'm trying to make you guys subscribe. No, I don't want you guys to love me, self. Whoever will stay, guys. This brings me to the end of my video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do all to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from me. I will not forget my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please do not make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like and share this video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you guys always. Bye bye.